USDCAD. So is it time to sell USDCAD? And the pattern that I'm seeing now is basically a downward channel. Now, if you look at the daily chart, it is in a mild downtrend. It is a downtrend, but it's not very strong. So let's draw some lines, right? Bring it here. So comes down here, goes up. It's a new low, lower high. This fails to go above there, so that's pretty good now. Still comes down. Now here we see a slight fake out because it's not going below this low. It's supposed to test all the way down. But if you ignore that bit a little bit and we go to the 4-hour chart, what we saw is this price going up and retesting that level. So this actually was a range. So we can call that as a range bound market from here to there, right? And when this range was broken here, it retested it and came down. Here it was giving an entry, an opportunity to actually buy it, and that was all based on the 1-hour chart. So now, if I just delete that range, what we see here is the market coming down on the 9th of April, going back up, testing those levels. Let's bring back the box. See, test that level. It's a strong sell there. So on the 13th, we had this very strong outside candle. Really easy to sell these kind of markets, because if you have done this analysis and you see that price touched those levels, reacted to it, and it's a range bound market, comes down and creates a very strong outside candle. The close is even lower than this candle and the low of it. You just sell at the close and have your stop loss somewhere here or on the other side. And your target is obviously the range low. So that's what happened over there. But then what happens is that zigzag pullback. Again, yesterday, a strong candle. But check this. These two candles combined together, it's actually a bearish pin bar. I don't know if I go to the 2-hour chart, if it is the correct hour, it could turn into that. Let's see. No, it didn't, because it doesn't happen in all the hours. Anyway, so that's what it is. So you see this goes up, comes down. This is a pullback. And what you would do is that you would sell at the close and it comes down. But this is not a tutorial. This is an idea of, can we sell this? So now that it has broken the lows here, comes back to it, retest that lows. So let's mark those as well. Goes up, comes down, tests it again. Today at 7 o'clock, we had this strong trend candle, sold at the close, trail the candles. Here comes the reversal, what we call the fruit candle or the bullish divergent bar or candle. Price goes up, and now it creates another bearish candle. Why would I like to short here? The idea is this. If I use the Keltner channels, what I would see is that market has come, hit the outer band, comes back up, hit the upper band, comes down, goes out of the outer band, does an ABC zigzag correction, which gave me an idea to actually short right here, because if you short here, it will be just below or just around the support resistance pivot. So your stop loss could be easily up there, just about 20 pips or 15, 20 pips. I think it was less than that. So that's 26. Yeah, about 10 to 15 pips. Goes down. If you didn't take this long here, you can see that it went up and now it's in a downward channel. So easily, if we draw that and draw these three lines as well over here, we can see that it could be forming some kind of a channel. So we can go short here. The only problem here is that this support level. So what you can do is either short it now and have your stop loss up there, or you can wait for it to do this. What if it goes through it, comes back to it, test it here, then you can go short here and target these levels. So that's the idea on USD CAD sell setup.